Industrial chains are not ordinary metal links. They are built to hold massive ships in place. These chains face extreme forces every single day. Their failure is not an option. Inside this factory, production never truly stops. Everything here is designed for strength and scale. The goal is simple but critical. Create chains that can survive the open sea. Raw steel arrives in long, heavy bars. Each bar weighs hundreds of kilograms. The steel is unloaded using powerful cranes. Every movement is carefully controlled. Before anything begins, inspections take place. The steel is checked for flaws and defects. Only high-quality material is approved. Weak steel is immediately rejected. Once approved, the steel is cut into precise lengths. These pieces will form individual chain links. Accuracy is essential at this stage. Even small errors can weaken the final chain. Next, the steel moves toward massive heating furnaces. Temperatures rise to extreme levels. The steel begins to glow bright orange. At this point, the metal becomes flexible. While still hot, the steel is transferred quickly. Timing is critical during this phase. Delays could ruin the material. The process must stay continuous. Powerful machines bend the heated steel into shape. Each piece is formed into a circular link. The machines apply immense force. Human strength alone would never be enough. The open ends of each link are aligned precisely. Huge presses force the ends together. The pressure applied is enormous. This step determines the strength of the link. Next comes the welding process. Extreme heat fuses the steel ends together. The joint becomes as strong as the original metal. There is no room for weakness here. Once welded, the links are connected together. Link by link, the chain begins to grow. The process is repetitive but precise. Consistency is key. After assembly, the chain enters another heating stage. This heat treatment improves durability. It helps the steel handle stress and shock. The structure of the metal becomes more resilient. As the chain cools, surface treatment begins. The metal is cleaned thoroughly. Scale and residue are removed. This prepares the chain for harsh environments. Special coatings may be applied. These coatings help prevent corrosion. Saltwater is one of steel's greatest enemies. Protection is essential for long-term use. Measurements are taken along the entire chain. Every single link is checked. Length, thickness, and shape must meet strict standards. Nothing is left to chance. The next stage is testing. This is where strength is proven. The chains are placed under massive tension. Forces simulate real-world conditions at sea. The chain stretches under pressure. Engineers monitor every movement. Any sign of weakness is unacceptable. Only the strongest chains survive this test. Some chains fail during testing. Those chains are removed immediately. Failure here prevents disasters later. Safety always comes first. Approved chains are marked and documented. Each one has a recorded strength rating. This information is critical for shipping companies. Lives and cargo depend on it. Finally, the finished chains are prepared for transport. They are coiled carefully for shipment. Each chain weighs several tons. Moving them requires specialized equipment. These industrial chains will travel across the world. They will anchor ships in violent storms. They will endure constant tension and movement. All because of this precise factory process. Behind every massive ship lies unseen engineering. Industrial chains are a silent force of safety, built with heat, pressure, and precision. Designed to hold the world's largest vessels in place,